Hello friends, this is Rupesh Jadhav and I'm trying to explain you a topic feathers of birds. Here the word feather has been hidden. Here it is. Okay, feathers. So it is I am writing here birds feather. Set. Little bit correction is needed. Adjustment. So feather of birds and this topic is from chapter 3. Okay, chapter third, that is uh, animals, and in that animals it is given about birds. Okay, subject is science, connect to science. So I'm trying to explain you, and if you people like it, please do give comment that we like it, so that I will make more videos till your school session goes on. Okay, so feather of birds. Firstly, try to understand the how the bird is. Oh, there is no space. Okay, let me try here. Like this, the bird is like this. Okay, then this, and then this, and here the two legs with three toes on the front side and one at back side. One, two, three on front and one at back side. This is the beak. Here there is eye, and this body is covered with feathers. Okay, so this is what feathers. So there are various feathers. Now here the type is given. Let me change the color to mention it. Okay, firstly it is given the body feather. Okay, then here down feather, and here the flight feather. So these are the wings where we will have flight feathers. Okay, here it is flight feather. These are its flight feather. Also the tail also helps in flying to change the direction. Okay, so this is also flight feather. Then next one is given body feather. So I'm changing the color for body feather. Let me take green. So all over the body there are some small feathers. Okay, so here rest of the body is covered with body feather. Okay, when it tries to fly, the during the upstroke, when upstroke means when the wing is lifted upward, and downstroke means when the wing is pushed towards the downside. Okay, so beneath this also there are body feathers. Okay, and the last one is the down feather. So let me change the color for down feather. Okay, so down feather is somewhere here. Okay, this side. So down feather, the downward part of the bird, here there is down feather. Okay, this is what the beak. Okay, there is different type of beak, and these are what legs, and 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4, these are their toes. Okay, now let's go back to our topic, what it says, description. Which color I should choose? This one I'm choosing. So all birds have their body covered with feathers. So all birds have their body, as I have told you, that every part except the beak and toes, rest of the body part of the bird is covered with feathers. Okay, that make them different from the rest of the animals. Okay, for example, if you have seen parrot, it has different colors of feathers. Okay, if you have seen sparrow, again different color. The parrot has somewhat dark green to light green. Sparrow has brown, white, little bit black shade is there. And crow, you have definitely seen this. These birds, crow has black feathers. Okay, so we can differentiate every bird by identifying their colors. So feathers of the birds are of three types. How many types? It is of three types. So firstly, down feather. These are somewhat fluffy feathers. Okay, fluffy means, check out, this is the down feather, these are down feathers. Okay, here it is given down feather. Look how it looks like fluffy. Okay, and located close to the bird's skin. So it is the first feather, these are the first feather which are nearer to the skin. Okay, these feathers are very soft and short. Okay, so these are soft and short. They help to keep the body warm. They help to keep the body warm. Sorry. A nestling. Okay, nestling means a new born baby bird. Okay, a newborn baby bird has lot of down feathers. So nestling has lot of down feathers. Then next is body feather. These feathers are present over the down feather, over, okay, the down feather. So if I am drawing this as the skin, so very first there are which feather? Imagine this as a skin of the bird. Okay, then above this, first there are down feathers. Okay, and above it there are body feathers. Okay, so in this way, so bird, this is the bird, the first is down feather, everywhere down feather. Then over that part there is this what we say, body feather. Okay, so these are body feather which I have shown you in the green color. Okay, then they cover the whole body, they cover whole body. Which of these feather cover the whole body? So they cover the whole body. Okay, and give shape, these give shape to the bird's body. Okay, if you are seeing this in the shape, whatever the shape is, I have drawn it, it is due to these body feathers. Then coming to the next, that is flight feathers, this one. Okay, flight feather, this one. So these feathers are mostly present on the wings. Okay, as I have told you here, it is flight feather. Let me change the color. Color again I am going to change. Okay, so these are the wings. Here there is flight feather. Okay, this also makes flight feather. Mostly present on the wings and the tail. So along with the wings, it is also present on the tail, as I have told you. So tail helps to change the direction. Okay, they help the birds to fly and change the direction. Okay friends, so this was all about the feathers of birds. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please put comment in comment box so that I can make more videos for you people. Okay, I will try to take out the time from my schedule to make small video for you people to understand the topic. So thank you.